Guys, it's your boy Mark. Today you're here with Team Pride for Over Wages. We're really getting paid, not going through the phases. And today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I send my traffic to my capture page for Ibuumerang. This is the I Decide presentation. If you don't know how to get to this, make sure you watch my previous video. I put a link in the description because I show all of my team members how to get to this and how to set it up and everything. But this video is basically how I'm gonna drive traffic to it. I'm gonna go through the steps, show y'all the website. I'm gonna put the link below. You can go ahead and get it. It's free. Create a free account. You actually get $5 once you create this account. You can use it towards the traffic that you buy. It's basically solo ads. It's called Udemy. This is what I use. I'm gonna show y'all the exact person that I go through when I buy my traffic. It's a I like this guy because his prices are amazing and he has some really good traffic. So what you want to do, as you see here, you get an instant $5 discount for every referral. So once you refer somebody, they get $5, and you also earn 15% of all of the orders that they um, actually buy. So it's another way you can make money. So I'm gonna put a link below in the description. Once again, you can go check it out. But what you want to do is come up here to find sellers or solo deals. It's all up to you. With the solo deals, it's basically what's going on right now. I'm gonna show you like people doing deals. They promoting their links, promoting their page, and what Udemy actually is people who have a large email list. They just send your links and stuff to people around the niche that you are looking for. These are hot traffic. This is hot traffic, not cold traffic. People are actually already looking for an opportunity. So I would highly suggest this when you're buying ads, this website, because it is an amazing website. I done got a lot of traffic, leads, and sales just from this one website. And this is the guy that I buy from. It's 45 cents per click. And as you see here, he rates me. I'm a great buyer, great buyer, great buyer. And what you would want to look for is people actually saying that they got sales. So we're gonna go through different sellers, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I mean when I say people who actually got sales. So you can check this guy out. The higher you go, like 79 cent, you get better quality leads. You would want to see is this right here is what I mean. Like got sales is the green uh thumbs up button, and you would want to look for five. So that's one, two, three, four, five, six. So this is a good seller to buy from. He has a 20% sale rate. So also you want to look at the number of likes and all of that stuff matters. So you just go through there. I'm not gonna go through every seller on this page, but I'll just give you a couple things you could do. Is basically just look at the sale rate. Look at the sale rate, how many likes. If they got like this is the person I buy from. He has 1,776 likes and only 3 dislikes, and he has a 16% sale rate, and that's 40 cents per click, guys. And let me show you. This the lowest it'll get is 40 cents per click, and you can get 50 visitors. That's 50 people sent to your link, which you just put right here. You can do this for any link, but this is for the iBoomerang presentation. You can put, if you have any other business, you can put your link right here and then go to it. You can get 50 visitors for $23. That's with tax and everything. It's that simple. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and do 75 for 33. I'm gonna buy 75 clicks. Um, and so what they'll normally do, like if I buy 75 visitors, he might end up giving me 80 or 85 to 90 more visitors for $33. That's not bad at all. So you just go ahead, click it, put it in your cart. You can either add money to your Udemy balance or a PayPal, or just buy it with your card. I have money in my balance already. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and that's it. Done. Thank you. And that's it. And you just wait. They accept it. They have they really have like it's up to 24 hours to accept it. And once they do, they go ahead and start sending that traffic to you guys. And uh yeah, that's basically it. That's basically how it goes. So if you want more information about this website, or if you want to go ahead and sign up for free, it's gonna be a link below in the description. And like I said, this is one of the best websites to get your traffic from because of the prices and the different sellers and the content and everything that you get for putting in the work. And like I said, the Ibuumerang presentation is gonna do its thing. I have 14 customers already. You can see here in my back office, 14 customers, and I'm playing around with the system with 14 customers. That's an extra $4,200 per year. So yeah, man, this is how I drive my traffic. So go ahead, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe this video if y'all like this content. Click that bell so y'all be the first to know when I upload a video. Other than that,